this project here is a guy that he started using my services, I don't know, best we could figure out the other day was about 18 years ago when he blew the hatch off the back of his Eliminator boat somewhere roughly about 105 miles an hour, and it just disintegrated. It was kind of a unique scoop, and I completely rebuilt it for him. Exact same paint job as what was on his past Eliminator boat, and frankly he's been doing business with me ever since. This is his Nordic Heat, and we have they've done a complete strip down on it. He sold this to a friend of his. The paint job is way out of date on here, so we're not only going to be updating the boat, we're going to be doing the trailer as well. This is a pretty fun project. We're all looking forward to doing this one. The graphics that we designed in the office last week are fully up to date. They're great colors, great color combination. I can't wait to see this done.